Hello friends. First heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add chicken pieces into it and let them fry till they change the color. Now turn off the heat and take out the chicken pieces. Taking out the chicken pieces, keep them aside. Now heat 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Add chopped onions into it and let them fry till start becoming light brown. Add cashews to it and let them fry for a couple of minutes. Chop the flame and grind it to the fine paste by adding very little water. After grinding, keep our onion paste aside. In the same vessel, heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Once it is hot, add ginger garlic paste to it and let it cook for a few seconds till the raw smell goes away. Now add milk. Now add chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala into it and let it simmer for a minute. Now tomato puree to it and let it simmer for around 10 minutes on low heat. Add chaat masala and cashew paste and let it simmer for around 5 to 7 minutes on low medium heat. Add chopped green chili, ginger, kasuri methi. That means dry fenugreek leaves and let it simmer for around couple of minutes. Salt. Add around 1 tablespoon of fresh cream and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Add lime juice and now add our fried chicken pieces and let it cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Add water. Chicken pieces are tender and the water has escaped as per your gravy requirement. Then switch off the flame and transfer it to the serving dish. Here is our chicken changezi ready to eat. You can enjoy it with roti, chapati, rice or naan. If you like the recipe, then please do like our video and also please share it with your friends and colleagues. And also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll meet again very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Good night.